Shadows! For the past month I've been trying to go on different websites and buy bits and bobs to put together a Squid Game themed outfit. Yeah, this is going to be one of those casual cosplay things. So for this outfit, it will be inspired by the robot doll on Squid Game. The first thing I'm going to wear is this yellow top. I was afraid it wouldn't fit. I really like this top because it has these cute little ruffle pattern things. So the robot doll has this orange overalls, but I couldn't find any orange ones that looked good with this top. So the closest I could find were these brown ones. Hopefully it looks okay together. I'm trying not to get my wires caught in the zipper. Ta-da! What do you guys think? I feel like pudding, which works well for me because I love pudding. Now I'm hungry. Anyway, moving on. Next we have this Dalgona choker. I got this from Etsy, but this one doesn't have the Velcro bit at the back, so I have to like shove it down my head, and my head's pretty huge. I hope I don't rip it apart. Wait, hold on a second. Ignore the microphone. How does it look? I chose the star one because I like stars. I noticed that she has these long white socks too. I decided to buy these ones with cute pom-poms in it. Since winter's coming, I thought this would look cute. I'm not sure whether to put the pom-poms on the side or the front. I think I'll just leave it on the side. So the shoes was quite a hassle. I found these Squid Game shoes. Apparently it was like a collaboration between Netflix and Zavi. I bought a few gaming merch from them before, so I didn't expect what was gonna happen. Basically, I ordered the Squid Game shoes from them and they sent me completely different type of shoes. I was really pissed off because I paid 50 quid for it. So I made a complaint, they sent me a refund, and I decided to get them custom made instead. I had to redesign it on Photoshop. I also added these blood-stained shoelaces, because you know what the show's about. It came with black laces and I thought those were pretty plain. So these are the shoes I got. It's really soft and comfy. I'll probably wear these to LA. I know the quality isn't the best, but I did my best, so be grateful, goddammit. So this is pretty much the whole outfit. Now for the finishing touches, I got these hair accessories also from Etsy. It's the same ones that the robot doll wore, so I'll probably not wear these because I'm trying to be subtle. But for the fun of it, I'll wear these just for this video. I don't even know if this is the correct way. Probably not. According to the seller's instructions, I'm supposed to braid my hair first. And then I'm supposed to put this on. And then undo the braids. I could feel it slowly like sliding downwards. The fuck is happening down here? Oh, the seller even gave me a free sticker. I think it's a sticker. It's a sticker. Haha. So what you guys think? I really don't like the hair thing. I don't know about you, but since we are still in a pandemic, I had to go the extra mile and buy some Squid Game face masks. I ripped the thing off. Wrap this bit around your ear. Wrap this on the other ear. Make sure you pull this down where there's the metal thing. You pinch it. Ta-da! Oh my god, since when did it get down here? Fuck it. Okay, it feels so much better now. That's basically it. I tried, so whatever. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.